In this video, I will show you the new Windows 11 reinstall feature to fix Windows problems. If your Windows 11 system works slowly or missing something, in this feature you will fix your Windows problem, keeping your apps and file. Go to Search option and search Settings. Go to System, then click Recovery. Then click Reinstall Now. Check the box and click OK. See Windows Repair version downloading. After downloading and installing Windows, your computer asks to restart computer or automatic restart after 15 minutes. You click the Restart Now button. It takes a few minutes to complete the installation of Windows. That's it, enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.